It's your girl Angel, the beautician on a mission, and I'm here today to let you guys know about this amazing thing that I have recently discovered thanks to my brother. My younger brother put me on to this new wave of technology and how to make money. So, if you are a single mom, a stay-at-home mom, if you are a stay-at-home dad, if you're a single dad, if you don't have kids but you're going to school, you're in college, if you're having a part-time job, if you have a full-time job that's not paying you enough, but you want to learn how you can make extra money on the side to supplement what you already have, you can do something part-time, and this is what I've started doing, and I've been seeing results. I want to let you guys know that I have started this whole new thing called Forex trading. Now, what Forex trading is, it is the largest financial market in the world. Forex stands for foreign exchange market. The foreign exchange market encompasses all types of money, from the euro to the Japanese yen to the US dollar. Every form of money, including gold and commodities like gold and oil and silver, can be traded in the Forex market. There are banks, there are the government, financial institutions, everybody, stockbrokers, everybody trades inside the Forex market. Now, in order for you to be able to make money in your sleep, that is how you can do it. If you want a way to be able to provide for your family and be able to make extra money on the side, or you could do this full time, I know a lot of people who have quit major paying jobs for the Forex market. I have a mentor that I have been mentored by. His name is Marcus, and I'm going to drop his video link down below in the description so that you guys can have a more in-depth view of what I'm talking about. He explains this a little bit better, way more better than I can, and what it is and how you can get into it. Now, he's been mentoring me for the past few weeks, and he's amazing. And he's also been mentoring a whole bunch of people. He has a whole team of people that have been doing this, and they are making tons of money. Literally, you could put an order in the Forex market, go to sleep, wake up, and have from just one penny a whole $100 in your account, a whole $500, whatever, in your account. Now, if you don't believe me and you think that this is some get-rich-quick scheme, I can tell you right now it's not. And I can tell you that from what I've seen, it works. If you're ready to put in hard work and learn how to work the market and learn how to trade in the market, learning what this skill is, I'm telling you, you could change your life. So I am going to send you guys to this link, and I want you to be able to watch it and let me know in the comments below what you liked about it. Not what you don't like. I want to know what you guys liked about his video, and let me know if you guys are ready to get started. If you guys are ready to get started, DM me on Instagram, on my Instagram, at Angel the Beautician, and please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this page, to this channel. Share this with your friends if you like this video, okay? Like I said, I'm going to send the link down below in the description box. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then,